In response to a question that was asked by Jennifer, one of my new subscribers, on my last video about how not to scratch into that side pocket, I thought many of you might have had that same question. So what I did is I made a video for her and I want to share it with all of you right now. So let's check it out. Hey Jennifer, thought I'd make you a quick video. I do this for subscribers once in a while where it's tough to answer a question. And this is a tough question to answer. How do you not scratch? It's basically through experimentation. So I mentioned to you that I've marked the cue ball and the object ball location with paper reinforcements. And I suggest using paper reinforcements because you're going to get an exact spot, because that cue ball and that object ball, it's like a detent. It rolls right into that little circle. And then you can experiment and control the experiment. So what we're going to try to do here, trying to hit the same spot, low left, on this cue ball, but we're imparting different revs through the cue ball through our stroke. Because if we hit it with just a little bit of revolutions on that cue ball, it's going to hit somewhere right in here. If we hit it with a little more speed and then the cue ball doesn't grab correctly on that cushion, we may hit here, but we could also hit here. And we're going to know what we did wrong when we scratch. You're going to learn more from a mistake than you are from the success. So I highly recommend setting up this shot and practicing it. Now, for me to gravitate up table with this shot, hitting the same location on the cue ball, I've got to put a lot more revolutions on the cue ball. And that's all done with my grip and my motion of my hand. So from here to here is a huge difference in shots, okay? So let me go ahead and shoot the first one. I'm going to try to hit right there. Right about there. It's flirting with a scratch, but I should not. I should hit right there. Let's see what happens. A little lower than, not bad. Pretty close. I was right there. I tried to hit around right there. Pretty close. So that's a real gentle shot. Okay, if I hit it too hard, you can see that I would drift way over here and then I'd have a cut to that corner instead of having this nice easy shot here. So this next one, now here again, I'm experimenting, right? So this is tough. This is a harder shot, a more advanced shot, but it's the same tip position. That's my main message here. And it's all about going through the cue ball with more action. I want to put more revs on the cue ball, and I should hit somewhere here. And that's really good right there. So the shot that I shot first to get it to hit here versus that shot, vastly different. But I hit the cue ball in the same spot. And that's because one shot was like this, and the other shot was like this. So I took the legs out from under the cue ball. I put more revs on the cue ball to get it to grip this cushion and come, instead of here, come up here. Make sense? I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, go ahead and fire away. Thank you for being a subscriber as well, and we'll talk to you soon. And if you missed the original video, I'll include it within the pinned comment of this video. And if you want to see another informative tutorial on cue ball control, watch this video right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.